Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
On this Tuesday morning, we are waking up to mostly clear skies out there. It looks gorgeous, but you are feeling the heat and the humidity with our wind flow moving in from the south. That's bringing us that tropical moisture. And we did see some isolated showers this morning, very fast moving showers that came on shore right over Key Biscayne and downtown Miami. And then it moved through right over Sunny Isles and pushed offshore. So we've been staying dry ever since. We are expected to stay dry today. Rain chances are slim as we are expecting a bit more dry air filtering into South Florida, so that will inhibit any widespread chance of storms in the forecast. Therefore, we're expecting plenty of sunshine and we are going to heat up. Right now it's 83 degrees in Deerfield Beach, 82 in Pompano Beach, as well as Fort Lauderdale, 81 in Pembroke Pines, 82 in Hialeah, 83 in Miami with a south wind at 7 miles per hour. Lower 80s in Kendall and Homestead. Down by the Keys, you're waking up to a temperature of 84 in Marathon. And for you in Key West, 85 degrees. Let's show you what's going on. We've got a very powerful Hurricane Katia spinning off in the Atlantic. You can see it is going through an eye wall replacement as the eye was very visible last night, and then you can see it's being closed up by that cloud cover. That system, though, is still very strong. It is now Category 3 with winds at 125 miles per hour. Now take a look at what's going on to the north of us. We do have a cold front associated with the remnant moisture of what was once Lee moving into the mid-Atlantic states and into the northeast. Tail end of that front affecting the northern portions of Florida. Now you can see we've got a bit of dry air moving into South Florida from the western Atlantic. Plenty of moisture just to the north of us and plenty of moisture just over Katia, so that system will have the potential of strengthening again. Good news is there is plenty of dry air finally moving in towards Louisiana and Mississippi, and that will bring them a break to clean up from all the rain that they saw with Lee. Limited rain for us today. Wind flow moving in from the southwest will keep us hot. We could be flirting with record heat. Going to Hurricane Katia, very impressive system spinning in the Atlantic. As I mentioned, wind sustained at 125 miles per hour. It's 400 miles south of Bermuda. It is expected to take a turn towards the northeast as we go into the end of the week. Here's the setup. We have slight fluctuation in strength expected with Hurricane Katia. We could see it move over the western Atlantic basically as there will be a weakness in the Bermuda High, and that will keep the system over the open waters. This will bring dangerous rip currents, though, for the east coast of the U.S. and Bermuda. Here's the other area we're watching, just about 680 miles west-southwest of the Cape Verde Islands with a 70% chance of development. Could be our next depression. Where will it go? It will track to the west. Could affect the Lesser Antilles by next week. One more area we're watching is a broad area of low pressure in the Gulf of Mexico with a 20% chance of development. Back home here, no advisories. If you'd like to do any boating or head to the beach, the bay will be at a light chop. For you in the lower Keys, no advisories. Nearshore waters at a light chop. Highs today, flirting with records. We're forecasting 94. The record's 93 in Miami. We could flirt with the record in Broward as well. For you in the Keys, it'll just be hot. Highs will be in the 90s. Lows will be in the mid to upper 70s with a slight chance of a stray shower. Rain chances increase by the middle and the end of the week. Have a great Tuesday.